Hi everyone, so good to have you here again. Today I'm going to share with you what I do with sweet potatoes and sausages when I don't want to make the usual fried potatoes and fried sausages with ketchup as a dip or tomato sauce for my kids. Join me, let's have some fun in the kitchen. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Add the peeled, washed and cut sweet potatoes. You can also use Irish potatoes for this dish. Let the potatoes fry until they are well cooked and golden brown. Then take them out. To a clean saucepan, add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Allow it to heat up a bit. Then add the cut sausages. I'm using chicken sausage. Feel free to use any type of sausage you prefer, like beef sausages, turkey sausages or pork sausages. Allow it to cook and brown while pushing it around at intervals to get all the sides to brown very well. As soon as they are browned, remove from the oil. No need to change the pan. Into the hot oil, add about ½ cup of chopped onion. Stir it. Then add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Stir it steadily as it cooks. Be careful so the ginger doesn't burn. Now add about 1½ cup of finely blended pepper mix. Stir it very well and allow it to cook uncovered. Continue to stir at intervals until it is well cooked. Now add ½ teaspoon of everything mix seasoning, ½ teaspoon of seasoning powder, 2 seasoning cubes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir very well. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the fried sweet potatoes, the fried sausages. Stir to coat very well with the sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons of water so it will not be dry. Finally, we sprinkle some curry leaf. Cover and allow to simmer on a very low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir and the food is ready. Serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notification so you never miss a video when I upload. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or when you do try it. There you have it. Yummy peppered sweet potatoes and sausages. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching again today. See you in my next video. Bye.